Hey guys, I'm showing you the damage to my car, okay? See it? See that? See that? 70 miles an hour. 70 miles a boo hour. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. The deer went right underneath my car as I was driving. Right underneath my car. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. It's cracked. It's even cracked. Look at that. That's even cracked and everything. 70 miles an hour. A buck hit my car. And miraculously, I didn't get hurt. Yeah. See, if you got God on your side, even if an accident does happen, God will protect you. Hit that deer at 70 miles an hour. Yeah. Yeah.